everyone, Assalamu alaikum and welcome to my YouTube channel Crypto Club, where I bring new and amazing crypto project for all of you in which you can invest and get great profit. So today I'm here with another great project that I want you all to know about. So let's begin and move to our website to know more about the project. But before we proceed, I request you all to please subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed and press the notification bell for upcoming and latest video. Thank you. Okay guys, so today in this video we are going to talk about VR1 Arcade token. VR1 token is the ultimate gaming cryptocurrency built on the lightning fast Solana blockchain, powering the VR1 Arcade ecosystem and next gen gaming experience. VR1 is redefining the future of sports, GameFi and P2E. So here we are to the website to VR1 token. VR1 token designed for seamless transactions, rare rewards and playing driven governance. VR1 fuels immersive gaming, sports tournaments and live competitions where players can win big from digital assets to VR1 token. The mission of VR1 token is to make it #1 gaming token, pioneering a sustainable P2E revolution through sports, GameFi and real-world gaming facilities. So you can play and earn with VR1 token. So here we can find the details of VR1 token, that it is built to make it #1 token. Here we are the contract address of VR1 token, so you can copy this address to purchase the token easily, and hence some of the social channels like text screener of VR1 token, so you can join through their text screener to be able to understand the VR1 token easily and check the market value of VR1 token. And here we have the roadmap of VR1 token. In the first phase, VR1 token is launching staking mechanism into game integrations where DAO governance, partnerships, expansion, cross-chain sustainability. In phase 2, they have NFT marketplace, P2E rewards activation and AI bot system implementation. And phase 4 have metaverse integration, VR gaming sport, full ecosystem launch. And then we have VR1 token distribution, that what they have distribute the token. In community token they have 30% and advisors and operations for 15%, development and team for 15%, and liquidity and exchange listing is 15%. They have 10% for marketing partnership, 5% for sports and tournaments, and 5% for governance and DAO treasury, and 5% for reserve fund as well. And here we have the social channels of VR1 token. You can follow them on Twitter, join them on Facebook, follow them on Discord server link and Instagram, so you can simply access the project easily. I'll drop the link all of the social channels in my description, which you can use to access the project easily. And then here we have the text screener chart of VR1 token, so you can see the market value, the liquidity pool, and everything is mentioned here. So this is a completely trustable project. They have $5.7 million market cap and the liquidity is mentioned here, which is 234k. And then we have some of the recent transactions, all the ratio details about the project regarding to the project on VR1 token, so you can go through this. Okay, so this was all about today. I'll drop the link in my description, which you can use to access the project. Join the VR1 token, play the games and earn. Literally this is a new blockchain ecosystem which is pumping hard. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like my video, subscribe to my channel and press the notification bell. Thank you so much for watching.